this is what the assist rules. Maybe we shouldn't do it. He's got nothing. This way it's wide open. Yeah, I think maybe that's better, right? Okay. Try to guard as much of this one as you can, eh? Like right in the middle of the two. You like that, Reed? What's that? Guard. Guard this? Yeah. You want this a little higher?